Hi, this is Rony Mullick, and you are watching the Post Market Show. So today it was a Friday, and Fridays are trending, but today the markets were trending, but it was trending on both the sides. So initially in the morning, the markets were shooting up like anything, and then there was a dramatic fall. And what is important is markets closing for the fourth straight week in the red. And if you look at statistics, this is the weakest losing streak in Nifty on a weekly basis, considering the last 15 months. So in the last 15 months, markets have not closed continuously 4 weeks in the red. So is it something brewing? I don't know. Maybe it is a bearishness. And also we have seen that the reports have come in that from in the last quarter, Michael Burry, the person behind the big shot, he has he's betting for a market crash, and he has put on the line almost 1.6 billion, almost 93% of his wealth in creating a short position. So let's see if he is right once again. And also we have the ace investor Warren Buffett. What he did, he has sold almost 8 billion worth of stocks in the last quarter. So these big people, they are betting on a market crash. Will they be correct, or the markets will be moving up? So that is a very interesting question. But looking at the markets at present, definitely there are warning signals. The everything is looking bearish. World markets are down. US is continuously raising the interest rates, so that is causing a lot of panic. And we are seeing, obviously, Indian markets are also facing the consequences. They are also moving down. So let's get into the charts and see what has happened today. So this is Nifty's chart for today. You can see the markets opened with a gap down because global markets were down below 19,334. And what happens is markets fell off immediately, took some support around 19,260. That was the previous low made on 14th of August. So market took a support around there, moved up a little bit, again came falling, and then the markets shot up like anything in a matter of half an hour. But then markets made a high around 90,370, and from there again there was a second round of selling, making the markets close at 90,310.28% down Nifty. So this is the situation right now in case of Nifty. Coming to Bank Nifty, Bank Nifty had a consolidating day because it just moved down by 0.09% in the red, but still it's in the red, so that is definitely there. So looking at the markets, the first candle itself, markets opened with a gap down, but then it immediately shot up. You can see the huge candle, first candle, and then markets were trading range bound throughout the day and ended 43,851. So third day where the markets could not close above 44,000. Definitely that is turning out to be a huge resistance in Bank Nifty. Coming to mid caps and small caps, if you look at them, they were doing pretty well in the last 3 days, I would say, but today they came under selling pressure, 0.2% down mid cap, small caps down by 0.29%. So it seems that mid caps and small caps, which were in an uptrend, is the rally is kind of consolidating, or it's pausing for the moment. But we will not immediately go bearish in this, but let's wait and see which side it moves. And talking about sectors, it was kind of a balanced day because we have some sectors which ended in the green, some sectors which ended in the red. Talking about sector which has lost the most, it is Nifty IT, 1.47% down. Definitely very bearish. And followed by, we have a pharmaceutical index down by 0.57%. We also have reality down by 0.6%, financial services down by 0.3%, and Nifty private bank is down by 0.2%. And some stocks have ended in the positive, some sectors. We have energy up by 0.13%, metals up by 0.2%, FMCG up by 0.22%, and PSU bank up by 0.23%. But you can see that these stocks haven't rallied that strong, I would say. So hence the overall picture is still negative. If you talk about index movers, we have Reliance Industries, Adani Enterprise, Adani Port. So Adani group of stocks, they are getting almost $2.5 billion from Abu Dhabi as an investment in the power sector, but that has caused a euphoria in all Adani group of stocks, and all of them are up more than 3, 4, 5%, even 10%. Some stocks are up. So these are the stocks which moved up, and you can see most of the stocks have moved down. Infosys, TCS losing the most, followed by HDFC Bank again losing, Kotak Bank, M&M, and Bajaj Finance. FIDI activity looks interesting because not much have been much activity have been there, because you can see FIIs have net sold again, becoming sellers. Net sold for 266 crores, but DIIs have bought for 339 crores, so slightly higher than what they have sold. So net institutional figure remains positive, but nothing significant, I would say. So looking at the situation right now in the US markets, we see that US markets are bearish. Yes, definitely bearish, but they have moved open with a gap down, but it is moving up as right now. S&P 500 down by 0.25%. Dow Jones up by it's up slightly up 0.04%, and Nasdaq is down by 0.43%. So Nasdaq has even broke the 14,722 levels, which we were taking it as a good support level. And so this is the situation. So US markets are definitely bearish. Yesterday we were seeing some kind of up move, but that did not happen. Markets moved down, so causing more panic in the global markets, and our markets also opened with a gap down, as you have seen. Global markets are all negative, nothing much to see here. And European markets, all of them are down. You can see UK markets down by 0.2%, French and German markets both down by 0.4 and 0.6%. Asian markets are also pretty much very weak. Hong Kong markets leading the fall with 2.05%, Chinese market 1.27% down. Japanese and Korean markets both are down by 0.5 and 0.6%. So nothing much to see here. Everything is down. It's a complete bloodbath in the global markets. So that is the situation in case of equities. Now coming to commodities. Okay, before that, India VIX. VIX interestingly has come down today, despite the markets falling. 0.8% down, still above 12. 12.14 is where India VIX is closed. US VIX has moved up, and now it is close to 18. So that is definitely much higher than where it was. So volatility is increasing everywhere, it seems. Crude oil prices are, after taking a support around 79, it is slowly moving up. You can see 0.77% up. That helped Reliance to stabilize and move up today. And gold prices are also, I think, taking a support around 1890 levels right now. And this is the situation. And coming to currency, dollar index is flat. It hasn't moved anywhere. It is at 103.4, similar, same as yesterday. And USD INR is also very, very similar. Nothing much has changed in USD INR. 83.12 is the current level. Open interest is very, very bearish. As you can see, there is nothing much to talk about. Everyone knows the markets are bearish, and put call ratio obviously indicating that Nifty's put call ratio 0.83, massive amounts of call written at 19,400, and puts are there at 19,200 and 300 levels. Mac Nifty similarly 44,000 has the highest amount of call build up. On the put side, hardly any put is there, and closest put is 43,800 and 43,500. That too very, very less in quantity. Overall, Mac Nifty is also very bearish, indicated by a put call ratio of 0.77. So this is the situation. And economic calendar, we did have some economic data to be released today. Those are out. Japanese inflation coming out at 3.3%, higher than expected. Expectation was 2.5. It came out at 3.3. And we have the euro area inflation coming out at 5.3%, in line with expectation. So this is the current situation. So nothing that important, I would say, the economic data. And now coming to Nifty, you can see Nifty, let's move the lines for a bit. You can see the markets have made a high on 20th of July. That is far, far away, almost 700-800 points away if you consider today's low. So definitely the markets are in a downward phase, and you can see multiple gaps have also been created over here. So if the markets are falling below these levels of at least 19,250, you can see large gaps have been created here, and that can make the markets fall even more, at least till 18,800 or 18,870. That is the level where it looks like a decent support. And you can see in the weekly charts as well, things are looking pretty bearish as well. Almost entire gains are slowly being given up in Nifty. Coming to Bank Nifty as well, similar situation. Bank Nifty is already down to June levels, and so May and June levels, yes. So you can see that things are not looking that bullish right now, so we will be cautious in the next week as well. In case a big fall is coming from here in Bank Nifty, you can expect the Bank Nifty to move down significantly next week, maybe come down to 41,000 or something, 41,500, maybe in the coming week or weeks. It could be very much possible. But bear markets, obviously they have sharp pullbacks as well, so that has to be taken care of as well. So things are looking pretty bearish. Now coming to the intraday charts and the levels that we always mark. So 43,470 has still not been tested, so that is one good thing. And upside 44,150 remains a resistance. I don't think that is going to be broken anytime soon. And down below 43,000 and 44,500 are the major levels to watch out for next week. Same with Nifty. If you look at it, Nifty has support at 19,233 and then 19,011. So once 90,000 is broken, there could be a further downfall, so that is to be looked out. And up above, we have resistance at 19,330, 19,430, and 19,520 and 566. So above 19,500, that is where the markets are likely to be bullish, but that seems like a distant dream for Nifty right now. So things are pretty bearish, and yeah, let's see where the US markets close, and what kind of situation happens on over the weekend. And the chances of being a huge turnaround is very, very less. There could be pullbacks, like I said, but the markets are in a bearish grip right now. There is no second thoughts about it. So that is all from my side. Thank you for watching, and have a very good night.